Maybe your roof's leaking, you don't want to call a contractor, and you're handy. If that's your situation, I recommend doing a water test, and here's one that I just did today. You do 5 different angles, you spray for 5 minutes, and then you get in the attic. So here's what it looks like on video. The valleys with seeing if it's a valley leak. So again, after we spray, usually if you have help or friend, they could be on the inside doing this and seeing if the water's coming. But now we're gonna pop in the attic. So now we've identified the source of the leak, and now we can kind of prepare what to do and the area to fix rather than overbuilding and over repairing to minimize costs for you or the homeowners.